Your Excellency, you have a duty to unite this country, to motivate the workers in this country, and to put your office in order. So for today, I want to ask you honorably, it's not a weakness, but can you come out and apologize to the workers, especially those who are working in the office, and give direction which will restore confidence and peace in the civil service. We as civil servants, we have a duty to serve the country. We have a duty to serve the government of the day, but we cannot go down being undermined when we are performing that duty. We are people of honor. We have run this government from time immemorial. And I want to remind you, leaders do come and go, but the service will remain.
Turoria undu umwe mutongoria wa bururi Samuel Arap Ruto igandwa kuraini nigetha andu aria utongoragia maheo gitio to nicio jaguti ciaku wa matuma ni matumikaga wa mera mathie ni mathiaga na ni mehariirie gwathika nginya muthia koguo ri tiga kureka andu acio macambithio koguo irari angi marahusika na mauta macio mamahe gitio guti undu maundu mangi tukuria gitio nginya muthia.